Hey guys, welcome back. This is the D58 where we are practicing my English for the next 200 days straight. And from the last around 15 days, I have been again most indisciplined person in this series because from the last two I haven't recorded any single video for the series, and also I haven't practiced any single topic about. So yeah, and the reason behind this is because nowadays my final exams are running behind, and also because of that I'm not getting much time off for these kind of things, because 3 to 4 hours I just go for to prepare final exams. The second is also time waste because yeah, I watch Instagram a little bit from these days, started watching a little bit more Instagram these days, and also YouTube videos. The third thing is work. Yeah, definitely I have lots of work about farming, so I have to do it throughout the day, and that's why by the end of the day I myself are just full tired, and my mind says to me that bro, you haven't did any single task, you haven't completed any single task today, and that's why you should not, you also cannot do this thing. So yeah, once this final exam will complete, I will get back on track and again start doing the thing I wanted, I usually do. And the second thing is also, while doing this thing, I am not consistent in content creation as well. So yeah, I didn't expect this thing in the last many time, because when I was started creating videos, I thought that I will never miss posting videos in 2 day row. Yeah, but I made this thing too, and I don't think I will. Maybe I can post more than 300 videos by the end of the year. Still, I have that thing, or what I can. Still, I have that courage. No, bro, we not say that it's courage. I have time to do it. So yeah, and our today's topic is what what is one habit that I would stop want if I wanted faster growth. So I think the thing is not comparing yourself with others. When you start comparing yourselves, you start feeling underconfident, you start feeling behind, and you thought that everyone is doing better in their life, but I think everyone is thinking the same thing, like the opposite person is doing great in their life, but the opposite person is thinking about you that the this person is doing great. So yeah, this was the thing that I would definitely recommend to you. Not compare yourself with others. This thing are feels lighter when it comes to saying, but when it comes to implementing, yeah, it's much difficult, because it's our behavior, and you can't change your behaviors instantly. Including me, I cannot say that I am the perfect person that who never compare themselves to other. I compare a lot, honestly, but I'm trying to getting better at this thing. And this was for today. We will meet tomorrow with new topic and with new experience. And by the way, I'm a little bit stressed about tomorrow's paper, because tomorrow's paper is design and analysis of algorithm. Yeah, I know much more about it, about all the sums, but the main problem is I don't know the question. Like, I know answer, but I don't know this which question, which answer belongs from which question. So yeah, I hope you have understood. Bye bye. We will meet tomorrow with new topic and with new experience.